My name is Nathan Fox. I am a professor of human development and neuroscience at the University of Maryland, College Park. We all think that it is important, we know that it's important, that children grow up happy, that they have a motivation to learn, that they are engaged with the world, that they interact socially with other adults first, and then with other children, and that they approach the world in a very positive point of view. But there is a lot of heterogeneity, that is individual variability, in the way children do that. There are some children who start off life in a very hesitant way. They withdraw from unfamiliarity and novelty. We have biological and physiological indices that let us think that they are, in fact, frightened of novelty and unfamiliarity, and they show distress and withdrawal behaviors. So one could say that they're frightened. The common way of thinking about these children as they grow up is that they're shy and reticent and are not engaged in the social world. We study those children, and we're very interested in knowing what are the factors that are associated with their biology, and also what are the factors that can draw them out and allow them to engage other adults and then children, and then become part of the extended peer group as they go into middle school and into high school. Because as you can imagine, a child that is withdrawn in a very early age and who continues to be that way is not going to be a successful child within the middle school adolescent social group. And so one of the things that we want to do is we want to see how we can draw these children out so that they can lead adaptive, healthy, and prosperous lives. There are many different types of temperament, and there are many variations in temperamental style among children. The one that I've just described, we call those children behaviorally inhibited or socially withdrawn. But there's another group of children that we study as well who are almost the opposite side of the continuum. They're more outgoing, they smile, they interact, they approach novel and unfamiliar situations. We call those children exuberant in terms of their temperament. But we think that what's important across all of these different types of temperament is that we characterize them not only in terms of their behavior, but also think about ways of characterizing them in terms of their biology. So we think that underlying these differences in reactivity among children, in terms of some children being fearful of novelty and other children being exuberant and approaching of novelty, underlying that there are fundamental differences in their biology, in brain activity, that are associated with these differences in behavior.